Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today on Rear Engine Shop, we're going to turn this used muffler and this used exhaust tip into an exhaust for a 2005 BMW 545i, which is not rear engine. Should be fun. Let's start. This doesn't make any sense. If you're looking for it. That's great. So I guess first thing first, let me show you what we're working with. This is the stock exhaust. As you can see, it's just it's like a dual muffler. And then that's the tip. So we're gonna hack off right here, at least that's the plan, unbolt this muffler, and then put this muffler in, and this will be our new tip. Does that line up like this tip? It does. A little on the small side as far as outlet goes, but we'll make it work. So I guess first thing we should do here is figure out if we're gonna make that fit. So let's do that. All right, so you guys are under the car. You're sitting in the Miami Vice Matco 80s series tool cart because I still don't have a tripod. So I got my transmission jack here. I'm gonna set the new muffler on this, jack it up. We're gonna see how it lines up. This muffler, the inlet is offset, the outlet is centered. So let's see how well this will work. All right, so yeah, I think if I hack this back here, I can just do a little bendy boo, bendy woo, bendy do, bendy, a little thingy, bend from here to there, and then yeah, this might have to go back a little bit. Might have to go back like that. I can hack this off here. Yeah, that might actually look decent. Dog, be quiet. He listens well. So here's a bendy piece. Yeah, that could do it. All right, I think now I'm gonna make the poor choice to cut the exhaust off. Oh, why am I doing this? Oh, I shouldn't be doing this. Wait a minute, slow down. Safety first, you gotta quit rushing me. All right, now I shouldn't be doing this. Well, there's one blade burned up. It was hot. Here goes another. Wow. Wow. Why don't you want to cooperate? It's right there. With a fraction of an inch left. There we go. It's not much going back now. Let's get this muffler off. Yeah, rust in the face, always good. It's over there if you're looking for it. That's great. This was a great idea. totally great idea. That sticks out too far. That was a really tight angle to get into there. Gonna modify some of this stuff here real quick at the chop saw. Alright, so the tip is welded on. Let's go get the muffler kind of lined up where it needs to be. And then we can tack that stuff in place and then make sure it looks good and then fully weld it. Muffler's got to be about there. How can I make this work? Oh, welcome back. Battery died. So I made this little piece here. I think this end can go in the muffler and this end will slide in the stock exhaust pipe. It's still a little warm. So now we can just kind of test fit this piece in here and see where we're at. Ooh, like that. I feel like I can live with that right there. Tip looks even. Is that even? There, that's pretty even there. We're in the exhaust pipe and the muffler back here. So now I just have to weld that and then weld up a couple hangers, which I'll have to remove from that, the old muffler. And then we'll see how it sounds. That's great. So let me get the welder over here and weld this up. It's not too shabby. I mean, I'm using this welder. It's from Harbor Freight. It's $179, I think. And it does a decent job for welding exhaust. I'm no welder, but I have seen people at work pay more money from an exhaust shop for worse welds than that. So I'm all right with it. I ain't shy. So I got it pretty centered. Now, it might be too bright. I don't know if you can see it. But you can see it's floppy. We got our mounts up here for our factory holder. I think we're gonna hack that off of that muffler, weld it onto this muffler, and then it will be held in place. This is the vacuum line for the exhaust flap for the factory muffler. We don't need that where we have gone. I'll have to disconnect that up on the engine bay, or I'll just plug it off back here, undecided, put a hanger on it, see how it sounds. Not too bad. All right, so everything's put away. I was able to put this one stock hanger back on. It's pretty solid. I think it turned out pretty good here. Tips are even, centered, level. Pipes down there look pretty good. Just needs a little bit of the spray paint. And then we can see what it sounds like. So let me paint it and we'll lower the car down. Now I'm just using some Duplicolor engine paint. It's black. And we'll just hit the whole thing while we're down here. There you go. Shiny black. We'll give that a few minutes to dry and lower the car down. All right, we're back down on the ground. I'm probably gonna end up getting a new tip. Don't know if I'm crazy about how that looks, but hey, it's on there. Looks decent from back here, just looking straight down on it, it does not look good. Now, if you guys ever want to know about any of the tools I'm using, feel free to ask. Just know that absolutely nothing on this channel is sponsored other than when Super Clean sent me some stuff. All these tools are stuff that I buy myself, like that chop saw over there. Got that on Amazon. A lot of my tools I use, I either get at Harbor Freight or off the tool truck at work because I am a mechanic for a living at a BMW dealership. So yeah, no sponsors, just a lot of hard work. So let's start this thing up for the first time and see how it sounds. So I think it sounds pretty good for a muffler I had laying around and a tip I had laying around, and might have been out here maybe an hour and a half cutting, welding. Not too bad. Now we just gotta take it for a drive. Well, just driving through the neighborhood here, it is a bit louder in the car. Sounds really good. No rattles or anything like that. Doesn't appear to be droney, but at 25, 30 miles an hour, obviously it's kind of hard to tell. Really doesn't sound too much louder in the car at all. It's not droney at all. And that is a good thing. Alright guys, so I think that's going to do it for this video. Pretty productive, sounds good, I'm happy with it, and it was cheap. I don't think this was an expensive muffler. I want to say I paid 40 or 50 bucks for it on eBay. It was on the wide body Furo for a while. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Let me know what else you want to see me do to this car. And make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. That's great.
That's all, folks.